Because of its chemical structure, oil is notoriously difficult to deal with. In the past, generally brick acid was used with very limited results. Now, newly developed products are far more successful. Oil stain removal requires specialist treatment depending on the type of surface affected. We have sourced different environmentally friendly products to ensure the best result possible on each kind of surface. Hard surfaces, such as block or concrete driveways, garage floors and forecourts are treated with a biological oil stain remover, specially designed to digest the oil. After application, the compound changes colour to indicate when the oil has been absorbed. The area is then rinsed to clean off the stain. Deep-seated stains on porous surfaces may need more than one application, but the cleaning product produces excellent results. On tarmac and asphalt, a different treatment is required to avoid destabilising the surface. The specialist produce we use is biodegradable and removes the oil stain without damaging the area treated. In both cases, after treatment, the resulting residue is safe to wash away without damage to the environment. We are self-sufficient in that our vans carry their own water tanks, and we also have a large water bowser in the absence of local supply. As a specialist in different areas of cleaning, we take pride in using the most suitable products for each type of job undertaken. We are now in our 20th year of operation and carry full product and liability insurance, and our personnel are fully trained and certified.